All right. I just opened up the chicken enclosure. I've been a little worried about these guys because they're in the garage, which is not heated. It's been very cold, like there was a chance of snow last night. It got down to 55 degrees in here with, we had them covered with blankets there, and so it was a bit chilly. They seem to have done fine. They have their heat plate and nobody is huddled up together, so good news. They are definitely out of food though. We'll have to take care of that.